Radhika Barya. I work from home. So regularly, I am traveling by train, living my life in full circle. My pain had started in 2010. It was in the left hip joint. Pain was very acute. Couldn't put my foot down. The pain sensitivity was so horrible that I couldn't even turn in bed. Pain radiated right to my lower back, shooting down till my knee and ankle. Very basic things like sitting, standing, or lying down was a challenge, great discomfort. Traveling to work had become a nightmare for me. But hip replacement at 29 years of age was something which I did not want to go for. So I was looking for an alternative. Came across cell therapy, which was done by Dr. Gaurish Palekar. It looked like something that I was looking for. And my operation took place at that time. I was 29. Now I am 34. So in all these years, I have not really suffered that kind of a pain which I used to go through earlier. I travel easily in train. I climb stairs. I even sit on the ground for my prayers, meditation. So if anybody who is suffering silently, the AVN, I will recommend that you should go for the OSSGROW therapy. It really helps you in the pain reduction, in improving your bone density, and also restoring your joint flexibility, which was restricted due to pain. Pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. So why suffer? You should go for OSSGROW and live your life again.